should I have my furnace serviced? Having your furnace serviced regularly is essential for your family's safety. Your Framingham area plumber will ensure that your furnace is operating properly. Reduce the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning and fires. Having a Framingham heating repair company service the furnace annually will help you ensure that it is running efficiently. You won't waste fuel and you won't waste energy. You can save money while keeping your family safe and warm, even during the toughest, coldest winter nights. Schedule your annual furnace service now to miss the last-minute seasonal rush. Homeowners who have their furnace cleaned regularly have furnaces that last longer, another way to save money. For the answers to all your plumbing, heating, and cooling questions, visit us at robertwagnerplumbing.com or call 855-879-3242 anytime.